This clear-eyed, dopey-looking bird is actually a pelican, often called the big-mouth bird. Unlike most birds, the pelican is a large water bird, up to 1.8 meters tall with a wingspan over 3 meters. Its massive, pouch-like beak lets you see straight down its throat when open. During hunting, it quickly contracts muscles to drain water and trap fish, its main food source. Some pelicans, especially in captivity, show omnivorous habits, gulping down capybaras or even eyeing rabbits as snacks. Surprisingly, pelicans are some of the boldest birds. They fear no humans, and when fighting over food, they've even attacked and eaten other birds, including eagles. So how did a bird this fearless become a protected species?